Hello guys and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. My name is Morris and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a daily tracker on Notion. So guys, as you can see on my screen, there is a daily tracker here that I had created using artificial intelligence. So this beats the option of manually imputing data, building a database yourself, all the stressful things. So I'm going to be showing you how you can get this done in a couple of minutes or seconds, depending on how quick you're able to do it. So the first step is creating your prompt that you're going to be prompting the Notion AI. So Notion has developed an artificial intelligence that works on the platform to help you create things of this nature. All you need to do is just enter the well-structured and organized prompt, which you can use or create via ChatGPT. So I had asked ChatGPT to help me generate a prompt with specifics for a daily tracker on Notion, and it went ahead to create something that's good for me using checkboxes with relevant emojis. And if you scroll through, you can see there are visual enhancements here, like adding colors and things of that nature. And now all you need to do is once you have created or generated your prompt, go ahead and copy it and then simply head back to Notion. So once you're on Notion, all you need to do now is simply click on the new create a new page. Now, instead of this, click on the drop down here that says more options and select databases. So click on databases. And once it's opened, instead of creating a new database for anything like task tracking and the rest, just click on the Notion AI here and then go ahead and paste in that prompt, which I had done a couple of times already. And now simply click on enter here, click on the enter option, and Notion is now going to begin, performing the task. And then you'll be dropped with this. This is where you'll be dropped at, where you can simply edit and change the names or the logos individually. And all you need to do to edit any of these elements or properties is just simply click on them and you can change the names. You can also change the emojis attached to them. And then if you scroll through, you can see your completion percentage once you have completed everything. So it shows 100% completion. You could, you can unselect some of them so it goes down to 60 and the likes. All right, guys. So basically that's how you can get it done without, getting your hands dirty or doing any actual work. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have any question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content.